Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, May 7th, 2025, we're analyzing Amazon, AMZN, stock, combining recent news and technical chart data. Recent news suggests a mixed outlook. Baird has increased their price target to $220 based on advertising and AWS strength. However, other analysts have revised targets after recent earnings, citing concerns about AWS growth and operating income guidance. UBS tweaked their price target to $249 from $253, but still maintain a buy rating on the shares. Jeff Bezos recently filed to sell up to $5 billion worth of Amazon stock, which may be influencing investor sentiment. Let's start with the daily chart. Looking at the longer-term trend, we can see significant volatility, especially around earnings releases. Notice the large red candle around August 1st, 2024, possibly coinciding with an earnings announcement that didn't meet expectations. The subsequent recovery was strong, but Amazon has struggled to maintain consistent upward momentum. We can see Amazon's 52-week low was $151.57, which was quite a while ago and has nearly doubled since. Now, let's narrow our focus to the last few months, from January 2025 to today. We see a strong rally in January which stalled out, before having a strong upswing on February 1st and 2nd after another earnings release. It appears Amazon stock is very news-driven. There's a lot of choppiness over the next few months, so let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a clearer picture of the recent price action. Here's the 1-hour chart showing activity over the last few weeks. We see a lot more noise, but also some identifiable patterns. Notice the series of lower highs and lower lows in April, indicating a short-term downtrend. However, the recent price action suggests a potential reversal. The bounce around April 21st, followed by a push higher, is encouraging for bulls. Let's take a close look at the last few days. Zooming in on the 15-minute chart from the last few days, we see quite a bit of back and forth. On May 5th, we see fairly steady trading near 187, but trading has been much more volatile than that in the past. Currently, the 15-minute shows a narrow trading range of 185.5 to 186.0. The 1-hour similarly shows trading near 186, with small upside and downside movement. Short-term, it's more likely than not that Amazon stays at the current price level of around 186 to 187, or drops slightly to 185. A jump higher is unlikely unless new information comes out, which is always possible. A break above 190 could signal a strong bullish move, potentially driven by positive news regarding AWS or advertising. Conversely, a drop below 184 could trigger further selling pressure. To recap, key price levels to watch are 190 as resistance and 184 as support. A break above 190 could lead to a test of the previous highs around 200, while a break below 184 could see Amazon retest the 52-week low in a worst-case scenario. Keep an eye on news related to AWS, advertising revenue, and any potential trade deals with China, as these factors could significantly impact the stock's direction.